There we go. She's still supposed to be sleeping, I think.
No, this is where
No?
we're gonna come get her.
Oh, good nap. She
Hey,
have a
do
good
you
nap?
wanna come out to Daddy?
No, Daddy.
But
Oh,
no,
good.
today's not Daddy's day, remember?
Today's your mommy day, okay? I'll give you a hug now. We'll go upstairs and get out the way, okay? You can spend time with mommy. Okay? I love you. Oh, you're still waking up, tired girl. Oh, I should do a good nap, huh? I should do a good nap, huh? Yes, good girl.
Okay, you wanna go watch some Fancy Nancy?
No.
No? What would you like to watch?
Come on, you can have fun with mommy and Gammy.
John, why are you recording? Recording your daughter is really...
No, I'm recording you, Kelly.
Is it your day today?
Right. Nope.
She asked for a hug from Daddy. She's getting a hug from Daddy. I'm trying to coax her into going to see you, but she doesn't want to.